Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on NIO just 5 days ago. Let me show you on May the 9th of this year, when the price of this asset was at $5.36 on pre-market hours. And I told you that most likely we have to see another leg to the upside that should complete the fifth wave, and then we have to see the retracement that should unload the entire movement from April 22nd to its highest point that it should reach in upcoming days. And this is the actual price action of this asset. Here is the point where I made my previous video, and I told you that we might see the movement to the upside, and we are on our way to hit this target. The only missing part is this another bottom. It is pretty much double bottom pattern, and we are on our way to potentially hit the higher targets. In my technical analysis, I will show you what price point this asset might hit. But for now, guys, if you want to enhance your trading skills, if you want to know more about technical analysis, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer, for now there is not so many people inside the community. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you. This means it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite a fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and let's continue with the fundamental news. What is the reason of its movement to the upside? Let me show you this article that was published just yesterday, and it's titled China EV Insurance Registrations for Week ending May the 12th. NIO 4,400 vehicles, and from the very beginning of May, NIO is at the range of 5.6 thousand vehicles. And I have to say that it is quite a good result. If you take a look right here, on my previous video I told you that we have to see higher level that it was on previous month, and we shouldn't break the range of about $3.6 in order to establish potential higher highs and higher lows in their insurance registrations. And we are on this on the path to hit this goal. And if you take a look on other companies, I have to say that not so many of them are in a quite good position. For example, Tesla has lower range of insurance registrations in China. And I have to say that, yes, in general, NIO is in quite good shape. And definitely because of its results of the first quarter, we have this quite substantial movement to the upside. On top of that, for now, we are on May 15th and we are on pre-market hours. And for now, as you can see, NIO is up by 1.38%, and we are retesting this previous top. And in my technical analysis in just several minutes, I will show you how crucial this point is. But for now, let me show you that today is the deadline, the launch of Onvo brand. And if everything happens successfully, definitely it will be even more bullish pressure on NIO for upcoming week. On top of that, guys, you know that just recently it was quite a magical appearance of Roaring Kitty, and you know that this is the person who started the GME and AMC short squeeze back in 2021, and NIO was a part of this meme stock rally back in 2021. And for now, I have to say that rising tide lifts all boats. And this means if this rally continues, if GME, let's take a look on its price action, if GME hits higher targets, and yes, on pre-market hours, it is on 25 in green for 25%, and definitely the other stocks might hit much higher targets. So guys, let me show you another news, and basically it is not a news, it is a lack of news. We are on marketbeat.com, and for some reasons I can see that not so many companies updated their forecast on NIO. The latest update was made on April 15th, exactly 1 month ago, with the price target of about $5. And the consensus analyst price target for now is $8.43. It is still about 45% of upside potential. But guys, if you take a look on the list of institutional investors and on the sentiment that you can find right here, the sentiment is not so bullish. But you have to keep in mind that it is not the deal execution date. This filing date reflects only the filing date, and the real deal happened at least 45 days prior. This means you have to be cautious with this information, but it reflects the overall sentiment for the so-called smart money for the last quarter. And I have to say that if you take a look right here on this chart, we also see not the best level of institutional ownership in NIO. It is almost the lowest from the June of 2019, and definitely somewhere in the future this trend should be changed. And I have to say that NIO in general is in quite interesting position if I switch to weekly time frame. And by the way, let's continue with the technical analysis. And before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. On a weekly time frame, if we take a look on its price section and clean the chart, you can see that it is almost at the lowest levels since the beginning of its trading activity. And this means we have more chances to see the movement to the upside that potentially might break all the previous swing highs. But for now, it is too early to make this assumption. I have to say that we are in quite good position overall. And if my assumption is correct and this top will be broken, we will pretty much confirm this breakdown. We will confirm this five-wave structure. And this means we have to project the top of our fifth wave. And how to do it? We basically can do it differently. First of all, if I pull the Fib retracement tool, let me show you like this, Fib retracement tool from the bottom of the third wave to the top of the third wave, as you can see right here, this asset hit exactly 0.5 level at around $5 mark. And this is the first range of accumulation for algorithms with a price target of negative 0.236. And potentially at $6.52, all algorithms who entered their position right here will unload their position at this point. And this is the first range of resistance. The second one, let me show you like this. If I pull the Fib extension tool from the bottom of the third to the top of the third and to the bottom of the retracement, the most common ratio in between third wave and fifth wave is 0.786. It is 78% of the length of the third wave. And this means, as you can see, we have pretty much confluence levels in between 6.5 and 6.65. And this means potentially, if this range is broken, our next price target might be at this point. And then we will have, let me show you like this, then we will have potentially this type of retracement that should land somewhere lower. I don't have this pivot point, that is why I cannot project any price targets to the C point. But at this point, you will be able to re-enter your long position, because for the bigger players on the market, it will be a perfect accumulation level to enter their long position. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap.